Hi everyone, and this is a little disclaimer before the beginning of the video. You will see at the end that I almost had a disaster in that the mixture came out of the pan so fast I overfilled my plate. However, it has been a bit and it is starting to set up nicely. It's going to be just perfect. I just wanted to let you know I'm just going to take some canned whipped cream and go right around the edge with pretty little florets, and it will look like it's a picture perfect pie. I'll see you in a minute and you'll see what happens. Stay tuned for the end. You want to talk about, I don't know what they call those, outtakes? That should have been one. I'll be back in a minute. Bye-bye. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a Saturday edition of Cook With Me. Well, I thought I'd come in quickly today to show you a dessert that you can have for tomorrow on St. Patrick's Day if you choose to. That's what I'm making it for. So I thought I'd want to get it up on Saturday so that if you really wanted to make it, you'd still have time to do that. It's a very, very simple, no-cook dessert and something that you could make with the kids or grandkids and enjoy. So let me take you down to the table and I'm going to show you really quick how to make a fluffy key lime pie. It's green, you know. Be right back. Okay, I'm down at the counter and I'm going to start with one 3-ounce box of lime jello. Now, I didn't happen to get sugar-free, but you could get sugar-free and make this a very healthy, low-fat diet. Not diet, but dessert. So let me just get this open. And here I have 1¼ cups of boiling water. And I'm just going to stir this around. It said for 2 minutes, but I'll watch it, and we just want to make sure that the jello gets nicely dissolved. Oh, it smells good. Don't you like the smell of lime? Of course, jello is so concentrated that it does have a really strong smell. Let me show you what else I'm going to be using. I have 2 containers, and these are, let me just see, 5.3 ounces. I think it said 5 ounces or 6 ounces, but right about, let me see, 6-ounce containers. This is 5.3. I think it'll be just fine. And these are light and fit, and the flavor is key lime. And I have 2 of them. That looks pretty good to me. Next, we're going to add this key lime. It's 1. You can see. 2. Oops, wrong one. I want this one. Let's get this mixed in. And of course it's green too, so and the last ingredient I'm going to add is 1 8-ounce container of whipped topping. And it says to fold this in. It doesn't want you to really, although it doesn't fold well, it just will eventually mix. There you go. You have to kind of get it going here. Now, I can't give you a taste test of this because it's going in the refrigerator and it needs to be in there for at least 2 hours for it to set up. I think that's got that mixed in good. But what I will do, give me a second to rinse my hands. I'll give you a little taste of the filling so we can see what we're getting here. Ooh, that is nice. It is limey but creamy because of the whipped cream. That's going to be delicious. I'm going to bring it back down. And we'll have that tomorrow. I have a graham cracker crust. Whoa, and we're going to pour it all in. Oh dear, I didn't do that well. But we'll fix it. Okay, you can see it's overfilled. I think my problem is I have a 8-inch crust and it called for 9-inch. But it will still be just fine. So I had a little bit left over, so I put it in this dish, and so we'll have a nice dish of key lime pudding later. So we'll be able to sample it later today. I'm going to put this in the refrigerator for a good 2 hours. Once it has set up good, I will put the cover on it and store it, and we will have it tomorrow for dessert, St. Patrick's Day. You can garnish it with green sprinkles or more whipped topping or pieces of lime so people know what's in it. So I hope you enjoyed this. Go ahead and make it. Get yourself a 9-inch crust, not an 8-inch, and enjoy. And I will see you again next time for Craft Day. Happy St. Patrick's Day to everybody. Play nice now. Love ya. Bye-bye.